Hello guys, welcome back to What's Trending Crypto. To find out about future update on trends, make sure to hit the subscription notifications bell. Okay. Let's talk about what's trending today.
Disclaimer: the findings of the following analysis are the sole opinions of the writer and should not be considered investment advice. One of the most popular meme coins in the sphere, the price of Dogecoin has not kept pace with the memes in recent months. The market structure on a longer-term bias continued to remain bearish. There was some evidence that the bearish momentum was weakening, but that would not be evidence enough for longer-term buyers. The token tried to rise above a resistance level at $0.135, but was rejected in the past few days. This could herald further lows for the coin. For Doge, there were two levels of immediate interest. These are the lower highs of the downtrend at $0.173, and the lower lows of the downtrend at $0.1224. In the month of February, Doge tried to rally above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. These levels were plotted based on the swing highs and lows at 34 cents and 12 cents from November to January. The early February rally promised to break out past $0.1719 and $0.196 levels, but was rejected at $0.1736. This meant that the rally upward was just the latest of the many lower highs that Dogecoin has set on its downtrend since October. The Fibonacci levels also showed that this move's 27.2% extension lay at 6 cents, with 8 cents as long-term support above it. If the price closes a daily session below 12 cents, it was likely that it would head toward these support levels in the weeks to come. The RSI on the daily chart continued to be below neutral 50 to indicate a bearish trend. The awesome oscillator formed a higher low even as the price made a lower low. This could be a sign of weakening bearish momentum and a possible reversal around the corner. The AO cannot be taken on its own. The price action still showed that the bearish scenario was more likely to unfold. The CVD also showed selling pressure has been stronger than the buying for the most part of the past few weeks. Conclusion: the market structure of Dogecoin on the longer-term outlook remained bearish, and the 27.2% extension level lay at 6 cents. There was also a long-term support level at 8 cents. Above these levels, it was likely that the $0.1 level could have some psychological significance and act as support. In other trends, sentiment or not, should you bet on Dogecoin rallying soon? Since falling from its October highs, Dogecoin Doge kept testing the $0.162 mark multiple times and flipped it to resistance. Since then, it has been marking lower lows until it gravitated towards the $0.11 floor. From here on, a conclusive close above its trendline support, white dashed, would position Doge for a retest near its EMA ribbons before a likely pullback from the $0.12 zone. At press time, Doge was trading at $0.1165, down by 5.53% in the last 24 hours. Since reversing from the $0.33 mark, the meme coin has declined by over 68% and plunged towards its 10-month low on February 24. Except for a few times, the EMA ribbons refrained from undertaking a bullish flip over the last 4 months. The downslide led the alt to lose the crucial $0.1360 mark, one that the bulls upheld for over 10 months. The latest bearish engulfing candlesticks created a strong supply zone between the $0.123 to $0.119 range. Furthermore, the point of control, red, and the 50 EMA would continue to pose a strong recovery barrier for bulls. Going forward, the current trendline support is critical for the buyers to defend to prevent fallout. Keeping in mind the improving overall sentiment, a close above this support would lead to a POC retest before falling back into its long-term downtrend. As the bearish RSI broke down from its midline support, it seemed to flatten at the 33 to 36 range support. Any recovery from this zone could open up chances for a test of its immediate resistance. Furthermore, CMF swayed above the midline and projected a bullish divergence with price. This reading entailed a bullish resurgence possibility. But with MACD lines undertaking a bearish crossover, the bulls will find it tough to defend the $0.115 support. In this case, a further fall towards the $0.111 mark before a reversal could be conceivable. Conclusion: with a bullish divergence on the CMF, a near-term comeback towards its 50 EMA would be probable. But for that, the bulls need to ensure the trend line support and propel a recovery on higher volumes. However, the meme coin shares a 77% 30-day correlation with the king coin. Thus, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement would be vital to complement these technical factors. Read the best crypto stories of the day in less than 5 minutes. Subscribe now. Subscribe to get it daily in your inbox. First name. Email. Please select your email preferences. The Daily Digest. The Weekly Digest. Up next, Matic. Should you expect a 36% upswing thanks to these chart formations? Don't miss. SHIB is now the second largest holding of the Ethereum whales thanks to Yash Majithia. With a background in financial analysis and reporting, Yash is a full-time journalist at AMB Crypto. He has a keen interest in blockchain technology, with a primary focus on technical analysis of cryptocurrencies. You may like how Dogecoin's 30% pump triggered a key market structure shift to the upside. Dogecoin, ETC, Phantom Price Analysis, March 23. Polkadot, XRP, Scash, Dogecoin Price Analysis, March 22. Polkadot, XRP, Scash, Dogecoin Price Analysis, March 22. Dogecoin, a good entry trigger for Doge bulls can be found at evaluating the potential of this bullish case for Dogecoin. Decoding Dogecoin's Hopium-led 9.5% rally and what it means for the investors. AMB Crypto. News press release terms and conditions privacy policy contact us. Disclaimer: AMB Crypto's content is meant to be informational in nature and should not be interpreted as investment advice. Trading, buying or selling cryptocurrencies should be considered a high-risk investment, and every reader is advised to do their own research before making any decisions.
Thank you for your time, and make sure hit the subscribe button for future update on what's trending.